And we have a guest of honor. We're going to deal with the guest of honor first, okay? Okay.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Well, this is a sight for sore eyes.
This is a sight for gorgeous eyes.
Look who is here! It's Auntie Terry and her girl.
That's right.
They've been
That's my
together
bestie.
since 7
That's my
o'clock this
bestie.
morning. Hi, guys. You so
That's
happy?
my bestie.
You so happy? She's really Terry.
I love her.
Isn't she so much better in person?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, she's beautiful. Aren't you?
All right, good morning, MTM family. What's up, man? We have house guests. I want to welcome my house guests. I want to welcome my house guests because you know how it goes. From time to time, you're going to see the camera flash past these people. They're in the house with us and stuff, you know, mate. Big up yourself, Greg.
Easy.
Yeah, man. This is Terry's, Tami's sister's other half. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And here we have Mrs. What's up, Terry? Welcome.
I'm back.
You ready for a good time in Jamaica?
Yes, I can't wait.
Yeah, we done full your belly last night and
God.
saying, you know, today's another day. We're gonna be up and down, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, MTM family, host guests in the place, so you know it go. Tami have to go to Fontana now, so and everybody's coming. Everybody's coming. All right, so them all follow. We go work on everything. Yeah, okay. All right, that is it. Let's do it.
Look at this sweetheart.
Alright, Tuki.
Say
Hi, Mommy Shugs. Hi, Mommy Shugs. Hi, Mommy Shugs. Hi, Mommy Shugs. Hi, Mommy Shugs.
Terry and I have been having the best morning.
It's true.
Oh, you want to come with us, mommy?
The sport.
Yes,
I should probably take sandals, right? But these are comfy.
You want to take sandals?
They're comfy. I'll manage. If I need to stop off, I can come home.
So speaking of sandals, man, I saw Greg had on his sandals and I thought, is he going on the road with them sandals? Because the truth is, the flip-flops. I was going to tell you, Greg, once you go on the road with those sandals, people are going to know you're a tourist. You can't run. They're going to say, brown man, let me sell you something. Where you from? You know what I'm saying? And mate, this is still Jamaica, mate. So we might find ourselves in a situation where we have to scale 2 fence. The flip-flops ain't the thing, mate. You know what I'm saying?
Scale too fast.
Yeah. He's in the right thing now. Yeah. Right thing now. But I was worried a bit. You know, I saw you in them slippers. I thought.
Don't worry about me, I'll be first.
So Greg, over there, so you get the patties. That's where we're gonna get. You eat patty?
All of them.
Yeah.
Chicken, beef. You don't have a preference.
All of them.
Yeah. Man.
Fish, callaloo.
Saltfish patty.
Yo.
Callaloo patty. You know what I miss is aki patty, but I can't eat aki anymore. But we'll get
All
aki for
right.
you.
So let's do it the right way. So guys, this man is a man. He's born and raised in England, but don't be sorry for him, okay? He's born to Jamaican parents.
Yes.
All his relatives, cousins,
So
every
we can
cousin,
check
every
patois
brother.
and everything is granted.
He gets
Thank
it.
God.
You know what I'm saying? And for him, I guess this is like coming home and relearning the culture,
He
right?
hasn't been here since 95.
95, and that's
So we're so excited
that's
to
a long
having
time.
him. Yeah.
Yeah,
Great.
yes. But so don't sorry for him when they hear us, you know what I mean, going at him in a little way, you know what I'm saying?
In a little way.
Yeah, in a little way.
We have to take you guys to Devon House. We haven't been to Devon House since they've renovated it here. Apparently they took off a load of, like, you know, remember the courtyard how it used to be with like tree? Apparently all the grass is gone. Yeah.
So what are they doing then?
They paved it all off and
so
did some, which is weird. I mean, Devon House was known in that area for its beauty. We don't need more, you know, but I shouldn't really judge it because I haven't seen it. But we can go there one day for like a curry goat party. Yeah, it's really good.
No, why say one day? Why
Maybe
not
today.
2 days? Why not this
fair
day?
enough. This day.
Yes, this day.
This day.
And that is like premium patty, the top tier.
That means it's
curry
expensive.
curry goat and lobster patty, murder. But the lobster patty dear. You have to go buy that for yourself.
I wish they did the lobster. I wish they did the lobster in the curry sauce.
The lobster patty not on me. I'll carry and show you.
We'll show you where to buy it.
So Greg, your family is from St. Elizabeth originally. All right, so you see those pretty brown people from St. Elizabeth, that's his relative, okay? He showed me a picture of his mom.
Stop it now.
Hang on, man. He showed me a picture of his mom when she was 53 and she looks like 27. Honestly, slim and slender, very beautiful. So
Like a model.
she's
Beautiful.
don't it?
Yeah.
I'm like, damn.
Yes, I look like my dad in case you're wondering.
As you can see, Greg favor is that.
His words, not ours. That's funny. Anyway, they're coming on the road with us today.
Yes.
I have to go and film something really quickly, and then we are going to
Devon
Devon
House.
House. It's right there.
It's
Perfect.
right there. It's a
Get
stone
something
throw
to
away.
eat, and our English accent's gonna be up today.
Well, but guess what? Me not eat nothing from morning, so right after this, I hope everybody's hungry.
I haven't
He's
eaten
always
enough.
hungry.
I'm
Okay,
having a
good.
yogurt.
Is it?
That's it.
All
Anyway,
right, good. We're going to
see you
enjoy ourselves.
on the flip side.
All right, see you. Ciao.
Bye.
And a ciao.
Wait,
Oh, ciao.
Later.
Later.
Bye.
In it. All right, so we're at Devon House now. You know, Devon House is a place so where I come from, Willico, and they totally reworked it, renovated. They renovated it. So we're going to give you our honest opinions on the renovation and show you for yourself too. You know what I'm saying? So here we are, Devon House.
It's over. Can come this way, right? Okay, I wasn't sure.
Okay, so it not like it's fully done yet, but
They have to. You can't take out all the green.
Alright.
you know, so me no mad once the green come back.
I wonder what's this going to be. This is probably going to be a waterfall.
Yeah, or something like that. Or maybe just a feature.
They're putting back a lot of the greenwood and trees and everything.
Yeah, people just jump the gun when them a cuss say no more, no green, no dead.
They're putting
See all the dirt there then. It's gonna take time. Yeah. Yeah, kids can run around and read more little space for up and down and walk.
Still all like green out there.
Yeah. I ain't mad. As long as they don't lick down the patty shop, we're good.
So, curry goat patty you thinking? Or curry chicken patty? Or, because these are different patties. These
Them
are
big.
the ones that like, these are like a gourmet patty. Yeah. I went with the chicken.
Chicken strips.
I haven't had one of these in ages.
They said the curry goat wouldn't work with your braces. Or the
would.
same curry.
I just know I can take a bite of yours.
Who tell you that? So the tourists them there. Enjoy them patty.
Do we have yours?
They tell me no the right way.
Same way.
Pull it right around.
With the all about with the tourists them.
Preserved duck eggs.
Want the syrup? You have syrup up for the altar, me? Eh?
On the block to hear what I get in charge. So make sure you charge up nice.
Right.
Sean, long time I come here, love the MTM family, you know. And them love you, you know. Every time we come here, people, Sean always tell me, say, bear MTM family come visit him after that.
Shana move sideways like crab.
And Darling too. Darling, I get these nice lemons from Darling. And Cane.
Look at the signs on the
And you know I'm allergic.
I'm not though.
I feel sad. Hey, you have any cabbage? We could have some cabbage and saltfish too. No, give it to Terry. Yes, Sean. I can't wait to hear what it's called. Here, wait, let's stop out of your brook.
No, man, you're not broke. Don't tell the MTM from
We
me.
can tell.
MTM come and, big up the MTM crew. When there, bless up the MTM crew. I know so always come and log in and ask to Tami away.
Yeah.
Sean, is what that? Custard apple?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, make them see this. You see
Oh,
these
yes.
things?
Hold on.
I'm talking about it, Come on,
It's
Sean.
It's good. Look how it looks ripe and juicy and lovely.
That look good for
It's
sure.
really good. And I get some mango and salsa and we're good to go. It's gonna be yummy. No, it's
I chose something for the truck because all of the work we would do on the bathroom, we did have a whole heap of rubble and stuff. And me gone upstairs, gone throw off something because something were
Like
anything
a
we don't
bowl,
want in the
yeah.
house, we have throw it on the truck, and the truck very big. Me pick up this table with the outside now, dash the table so
Gee!
the whole of the water was circling at the table, dash up on me. Right now, my dirty enough to go bathe.
Yes.
Right now, I'll wingworm I good at catch.
No, not the
I'm
wingworm.
dirty second water catch me. I never
Lord,
feel so
which
dirty
table
in my
that?
life.
Oh, the old wrought iron one.
It's settling at the middle of the way.
Jeez, got none of glass or nothing.
People, mega address this on the vlog. Momo have a little wicked style, right? This is to me put a mango them running at the corner, yeah? Most time. Sometimes I forgot to mango around there. She wait till the blacky them company. True, she know me not like eat them with the blacky. See? True, she knows that she gonna get it because so she like it when it overripe and stay bad enough. Watch out. Watch out. Guilty as charged. Wicked, she now make. Alright, how come as it get blacky, she remember to tell me say round there, just tell me that though. Just tell me that. Who the puzzle it up with me, MTM? Wicked. So guys, we have a full house MTM. We got a surprise. The surprise of our surprises. We have a full house and we have a guest of honor. We're gonna deal with the guest of honor first, okay? Okay. And the guest of honor is here.
We get a little free people
Yeah. Tessie, it's so good to see you on your feet up and running.
I just need to say thank you so much for all the love and the well wishes. You'll never know how much it means to me and Brandon. We love you. Thank you, MTM fam. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
We're just happy to see that you're up and running and the
strong
baby
like
is
bull.
healthy and doing good. And you have your nana with you.
Yes, come again.
Ivy, see everybody in a mask and confidence.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Come to your mother.
Gosh. She's not used to them in mask, you see. Yeah, but they have to be careful. They have a baby to attend to a brand newborn. Pops is here. As Pops come, Pops have to cheers.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
cheers.
Yeah, man. Cheers to the tourists them being in Jamaica. So hold on now. Zion, is what is a ramper?
Yes.
Oh, wait there. No, sir. She's too fashionable.
What's his name?
You gotta go gangster.
Fashionista. Watch out.
So what's the chocolate in it?
It's a toy in there. It's a chocolate and then a toy.
Tessie don't see upstairs yet.
No, and MTM hasn't seen upstairs yet either.
Oh my God.
Say I was going to put on the blog tomorrow.
Oh my God, that's true. No.
Show you.
Mighty God. Jesus and peace. Oh God, take time though. With people manga. People manga, you deal with rabbit.
Yo, I sweet it mango this. I saw you eat the mango when it's at work.
Let's take a picture if you want to show him. You don't have to give him.
People, I can show you all the chin sister, them terrible. Them a fight over foreign things.
Barrel come.
Barrel come and a beer war. Watch out.
She's selling them. These are for sale. No. I pick up the good one from my husband.
Yeah, take up two ready salted for him, man.
I want to feel like a food stamp. Want to think a food stamp?
Not all.
Drama this. Watch Papa Chindo come and scatter the crowd.
Tami.
I know you got to come from.
Wait, English people out of this. I just leave the thing them, leave the good them to Jamaica people.
What about the salt and vinegar?
What's Tami an issue?
Thank you so much, say for the boys. Thank you so much.
Terry, I'm just
Boy,
asking you.
Terry,
I don't know how you did so
the
much
only
food.
thing left for you to pack a barrel.
That's all. I could do
One
it
whole
easily.
bag to things.
Very easily. I could do, I have two big, but you don't know what I
You don't know sour sweet.
Clothes in my suitcase, that's
You have sour
Yeah. Listen, only when Terry is in town, we can get Mr. Chin for stay here so long, you know.
That's true.
Hmm?
I'm gone by now. I talk about no.
Me have some food up on the road, you know. Me gone. He's a man who can't sit still more time him there, you know. Watch him.
Anyway, I said,
Don't give me no thumbs up, because it's just through Terry there make you stay with this so long.
watch out. When you come here, you don't have no time for me.
Yeah, know.
From you come here, only say 2 words to me.
Yeah, you see how you stay? You're terrible.
No, I'm busy. I'm busy. I do the one thing.
Terry, him first born, him big daughter, there now, so you know, so him not leave her an inch. Watch out. That is it. Well, go on. Yo. Why is that the first thing you come find in the
I'm
house?
just claiming it so that no one else takes it.
No bother with that. No bother with that.
No. I'm just getting it now so that this guy. Hi, guys.
Gigi, what go on?
How are you?
Come through Atlas. Where I say?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
How was school? School was good?
When you have to wake him up, you know. You see out there is bear thing I go on out. There's a bear plan I make.
When man a plan got a wife.
That is it. When man a plan got a wipe. You never hear that yet? No, never. As he
They are
wake up,
England too long.
as he needs to wakey, he fell asleep. And we let him sleep for a little because he must be well tired if he fall asleep. So
Them can't wake up, him coming like one log.
yeah, it's hard to wake him up. And he's not big on sweeties like the other boys, so guess what that means? We can't bribe him. So even if we try. People, tell me where Auntie Terry is going with this. She said this is for Ivy. Where we are going to put this? Where is Ivy? We're going to put one in our head right
Give her
now.
2 more months. Not even.
Where's she going?
My hair will be there.
Oh yes, Lord. Clipping her hair in Jesus' name. Wow, that is nice. What you think about it, Ivy? You like it? Let me put one more. 2 clip in the head? What a lucky girl. Let's go show everybody. You want to see in the mirror? Come look. Watch that. You want looking at the mirror? Try come over here and show her in the mirror, Maureen.
You can see, come.
Wow.
Sweet.
Pretty girl.
Here. She sees
Pretty. Cool, woke up. You still tired? You're making me yawn. You want to go in the garden? What does this say? What does this say on your hand?
There's boo boo.
No, it says Oz. How do you spell Oz? Spell Oz. Can you spell Oz?
T.
Sure.
So guys, guess what today is? It's International Pizza Day.
Yes, thank God I bumped into Rowena who told me this today. Because otherwise I would not have known, and it gave me the perfect idea for dinner. You want some water? So thank you, friend. That's not what you asked.
We also have some ackee, because we're going to do ackee and saltfish tomorrow and murder. Sorry for you know who. If you know, you know.
I feel away.
But Tami, you have a good run with the ackee and saltfish though. A whole of 35 years.
That's not enough. That's never enough. You're joking me.
No, it make it even worse.
Yeah, and ackee was my actual favorite food.
Serious?
Yeah, no joke.
Oh my gosh.
But listen, you know what I have not done? I have not shown everybody the upstairs bathroom. So I'm just going to insert some footage right now just to kind of show you guys this space. I might not have enough like the horizontal footage, but I'll still put it in. I'm so proud.
And the swimming one have one.
Okay, go look and see.
Horizontal footage.
So yeah, I'm really proud of the bathroom, guys, and I am just excited that we were able to get it done in the time that we did. Big up to Active Home Center for literally just helping us to bring these visions to life with everything that is there. And big up to Selective Construction as well. Andrew and his whole team, Desric, Mitch, Steenie, Poppy, Wayne, everybody who helped to literally bring it to life and bring it to reality. So we're really proud of it. Another room down, which always makes us braver to do the next project.
So guys, leave a comment if you like what we did with the bathroom, if you like the transformation, if you feel like interior decoration might be in our future. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe I want work there for we. Flipping homes or flipping rooms. Where you say just call us and you get the quick flip. Alright, so check out the bathroom. It's a weekend vlog, so you don't know. No Flop MTM family. Like, comment, subscribe, and touch the bell. Touch the bell, but tell you say you need to start your channel like you're not here now. You see that you're YouTuber people. See you Monday.